You ever worry about banking online? Hashtag cybercrime? Well, this episode's for you. Online banking is uber convenient, and you should know that your banking provider will provide security in the form of encryption and authentication. Oh, badness 5000. So how do bad actors gain access to your super sensitive information? Most commonly, phishing scams and malware. Phishing attacks are a major factor here. They're pure badness 5000. You need to understand how you can avoid these scams. First off, you can go to my channel and watch my video on how to avoid phishing scams.
Hey Mac, you are looking very sexy today in that Sabbath t-shirt.
Remember, never share your sensitive information with somebody who's texting you, emailing you, or calling you and pretending to be a trusted source, like your bank. Malware. If your device is infected with malware, a bad actor can collect your sensitive information and then gain access to your accounts. Malware often doubles down on phishing attempts with some pretty sophisticated fakery around fake money transfers or applications. So what can I do, Mac? Keep calm and meddle on? Just kidding. Lock your mobile devices with a PIN, passcode, or biometrics and keep a very watchful eye on them. Use a strong passphrase on your banking account. Enable multi-factor authentication if you can. Stay away from the porn, you dirty dog. Use different passwords for different accounts and use a good password manager so you don't have to remember them all. Install antivirus on your computer. Turn on the local firewall. Consider using a DNS firewall service. Update and patch your devices and computers and applications. Don't use public Wi-Fi. Don't share your passwords. Go ahead and break the iKeyboard. When you use your bank's website, check to see if it's legit. Look for these warning signs. If you have fallen victim to fraud or attempted fraud, call your bank immediately so they can assist you. You can normally lock your cards online by yourself. Yep, make it better and move it forward. Attention Walmart shoppers, this information is labeled TLP white for public consumption.